Now you may never be on the Maybelline commercial, but you always let me know when you got some purple. See, I can't let you walk away, I can't let you walk away. You need a light one with me, so you could be my drug dealer girl. 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 You might never sell enough of the stuff to move off your street, but every time I cop you let me light one up for free. And I'm sure that you're never ever gonna be a runway model, but you can make a bomb-ass piece out of a water bottle. And when you count my money, you look so sexy to me, and it might sound funny, but I would buy an OZ just to get you in my bedroom. Drug dealer.